Hey guys, Ryan Landau here from MarineMax Jacksonville at Beach Marine. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on the Scout 175 Sportfish. This 175 is a great little boat. Today I'm going to be showing you some cool things about it. This one in particular is equipped with the 90 horse Yamaha engine. As you can see in the back here, you got two really nice seats in the back. You got storage underneath this one. On the other side over here, you got an aerated live well here. So easy access to both. This one is equipped with the dual captain's chairs. So each person has their own seat here. Really nice feature. As you can see, looking forward here, Yamaha command link gauges, easy access to all the switches, throttle. You also have this really neat compartment here. This folds open, put your electronics in here, store it, lock it away, or you can put electronics up on top, really up to you. Battery switch is easily accessible as well. You can see that this one has a Bimini top, all stainless steel fittings. On the side of the boat over here, you're gonna have another really nice storage compartment. And as you can see, you're gonna have your batteries, easy access to them. And you can see that there's actually two empty battery trays in there. That's for a 24-volt trolling motor setup. So you can see it's pre-wired for a trolling motor right there. Easy access to all that. When you get up into the front of the boat, some really nice features that Scout does. You have the removable cooler here, really comfortable seat. You could almost fit two people here, and you really could fit two people here. It's a really nice setup. So this is the upgraded Yeti cooler on this one. Another really neat feature is the bow cushion here. This is removable, so if you want to fish off the front, you can, or you can put this down for lounging. You also have a really big storage compartment here, could double as a fish box. All the way up in the front, you got an anchor locker as well too, and you can see that's a really deep anchor locker. Got the cleat off the front, you can throw your anchor right off the front. The Scout 175 Sportfish, great boat. When you guys get a chance, come on down to Beach Marine and come see me and say hi.